Hey guys, that's a quick video show you how you change the cutter just in case if break. For me it's broke because this screw here loose and drop down, and the cutter keeping cutting this, the actually clamp, and it got break. So you always need to at least two of those handy and two of those the plug, the detector. You never know. So I usually put here the number 2.0. Always recommended 1.5, but those cutter usually break easy, so 2.0 is the one I usually use. So just let me show you how to put it. So first you just put it right here. You see here, see this side it's flat, so this side against the actual, see this one here, the screw. So when you screw it, see I'll hold, so it won't turn. Alright, so you tight it, use your whatever you have, just tight it a little bit, you just tie it. Alright, just lift it up. Just right now, just do not tight it too hard, just make sure it's gonna move. Alright, now we go to the machine, so which is I'm using the XC Mini Plus 2. So from here you go setting, and you go to cutting setting. Actually no, you gotta go to, let's see, yeah, from here, device calibration. So here cutting setting, since no, it should be the highest level, high level adjustment. So you need to make sure the cutter in the same level with the detector, the plug. So when you just make sure you follow. So I tell you here to close it all the way, you put it on the A, and you just keep tightening it, clean it up, and just click start. So done. Now it's calibrated. So the second thing what you do, go cutting setting, and here make sure you have the cutter size, you get it the right, you see here plug, just click on that one and make sure the cutter size is 2.0. whatever you put 1.5, you have to choose this one. If you don't choose the right one, when you cut it, it will not cut the right cutting. It will cut it, but when you test the key, sometimes it will not work. So after you adjust it, just click save, and that's it. It's the same thing if the detector, the pop, this one break, you just do the same thing, high level adjustment, which is high calibration, and this is just cutting calibration, you don't need it, so you go to this one. Alright guys, if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.